O Shwmae a croeso I vlog yr wythnos yma. Hi and welcome to this week's vlog. The beginning of the week started actually in Cardiff, where Abby was part of the ministerial roundtable to continue the talks around the sustainable farming scheme, particularly to do with the collaborative and optional layers. So we're there to make sure that any decisions made on those particular parts of the scheme is equitable for all our farmers here in Wales. Abby also took the opportunity to welcome school children from Ysgol Henry Richard from Tregaron and their teacher Eleri. They were down in Cardiff to meet with the Deputy First Minister and took the opportunity to welcome them on her farm. As you can see, I'm here down in London once again, where we've just come out of a joint core standards event with NFU Cymru, World Wildlife Fund and the RSPCA. The core standards is an important part that we need to enshrine into UK law. It's all to do about animal welfare, food standards here in the UK, but it's very important that that core standards is also enshrined into trade law and international trade, so that when UK does any future trade deals, the core standards of our animal welfare, environmental welfare here in UK is equivalent when it comes to trade deals on food imports. So a very important part. We've met with many MPs and members of the House of Lords here this morning who have given us tremendous backing into what we're trying to do.